Having a bit of a red letter day here. Using the shuttle that I fitted with the X-Pilot and stuff at 120 metres. I'll show you how this works. Target 3. There we go. I'm literally getting takes within 20 seconds of dropping my rig, and the autopilots are working really well for returning the boat to home autonomously. So let's see what we can do. It's take a while to get out there, but I'm going to see if I can video this and show you what's happening. I'm actually struggling to keep 2 rods in the water at the moment. Show you. One rod's out on the bank, and the other one I'm just taking out now with the X-Pilot and the Shuttle bait boat. Let's see what we can screen here. 65 metres away from my destination. So I'll just come this side of my rods. Maybe you can see the boat right out there at the moment. Can't zoom in any further. Still got 36 metres to go. Twelve metres, 11, 10. Right, target arrived. Show you that. Target arrived. So I'm going to drop both hoppers now. Well, it's just one hopper. But I'm just going to drop this. Put the rod on its rest. Tighten up. And with the autopilot, I'm just going to select home location. Right, so the boat will come back on its own now. It's just started raining. Right out there. There we go. Look at that, we're off. We're going already. We're going. Right, I have to put this down now. just a little past it at 120 metres, but there you go. Well, with the autopilot, the boat came back all on its own, parked a safe distance away from my rods and stuff. Now all I've got to do is just manually get it back to me here, put my rig back in and take it out again. There you go. That's why I want X-Pilot on my boats, just purely because, you know, like this video, you know, you can just get a run within, you know, seconds of dropping your rig and your free bait, especially at 120 metres. You know, you don't want to leave your boat out on this big lake. It would be down by the dam wall by now. So yeah, it's a great tool, and I'm hitting the spot every single time with both rods. Yeah, so that's the autopilot, and hell of an investment. Catch you later.